Jamaica, Jamaica, don't you dare skip this post. Do you remember when 300,000 people made a vote on which costume I should release as my official Jamaican costume? And guess which one was picked? Number one. Now, this is a recent poll. It has changed. Now it says number four, but before it did say number one, by the way. See, 12,000 people voted. See, 300,000 people from all over the world. And this is basically what it's going to look like. I hope you guys are excited as me. I'm going to release this in January 2026. We're going to see if we're going to get this in the newspaper. I'm manifesting. We're going to get this on TV. I'm going to be in every parish. We want to tour the world. We want to tour your community, hospitals maybe, hotels. Let's make it happen. So share this live, comment, and say something positive. Let's go.